Today we've got this very nice Bruce Roberts Mauritius. She's a stretch 49, so built to the same plans as the 45, but they were allowed a 10%, so she's built to 49 foot. Twin Genoas, main and mizzen, accommodation for a good 6 below, nice all-weather cockpit. She's powered by a Ford New Holland 90 horse, lovely big engine. She's fully equipped for going pretty much anywhere. And we'll take a look inside in a moment. Lovely big aft deck and cockpit, nice and safe and deep. Plenty of instrumentation, everything you wish for. Solar to keep everything charged.